JaredWeberBrothers bringing you another video example of a front clip. Today's example is a Mercedes C300. This one is in the pre-wrap stage. It just got out of dismantling, just got a bath so we could check out the paintwork. Everything looks great. The exception of the right fender, which we told the customer about, is damaged. It was hit in the doors. So the right side fender, passenger side here, is compromised, but that has already been noted. So again, this is about to get dropped onto that larger skid over there, and then this is going from Pennsylvania to California at great expense, but when you need parts, you need parts. So if you're looking for a Mercedes front clip, this is what you can expect if you're picking it up or if we're shipping it to you. As you can see, you get everything on the outside here. So fenders, headlights, hood, grille, bumper, hood obviously. Get you under the hood here. And underneath you get the rad support, all the cooling, so the fans, the condenser, the radiator, any intercoolers if it's included, depending on the setup, washer bottle, overflow bottle, wiring harness, AC lines, hoses. There's a huge bag of splash shields and underbody pieces and air boxes and everything else that's going to ride along with this once we wrap it up. So again, if you're looking for a good, clean, used front end to do repairs on your vehicle, happy to help out. This one actually is a 2024 model, so nice and fresh. Feel free to give me a call, shoot me an email, get me on social media. Plenty of ways to get a hold of me. Just look up Jared Weber Bros, or you can shoot me a message at JaredWeberBros@gmail.com. Thanks for watching.